Hi, this is Dan Encell, Berkshire Hathaway. Today is Friday, November 1st. Let's talk about what happened last month in the local area, both Santa Barbara as a whole and Montecito. So, October for Santa Barbara area as a whole couldn't be more consistent with what we typically see during an October for the last several years. New listings, very consistent. Number of sales, very consistent. Price changes, very consistent. Number of pending sales, properties that are in escrow but haven't closed yet. Again, very similar to what we've been seeing for the last few years. So we seem to have settled into a very normal, stable market for the Santa Barbara area as a whole. So some quick numbers. New listings, 201 new listings for October. Again, very consistent with what we usually see. Number sold, 146, right in there with what we're expecting. Pending sales, 180, again, very consistent with what we've been seeing for the last several years. So if you take the South Coast area as a whole, it's a very normal, stable market. What's going on in Montecito? Montecito's a little different. Montecito actually seems to be trending much stronger than the rest of the South Coast as a whole. So 43 new listings, very strong in terms of new inventory coming on the market there. That's the most we've seen since October 2012. So again, more choices out there for buyers. Those extra choices are translating into more sales. So 25 closed sales in October. You have to go all the way back to October 2012 again to find that many closed sales in Montecito during October. So very strong on sales. I think the improved selection is helping buyers out quite a bit, coupled with lower interest rates and just an overall good, strong economy. How's it looking going forward? Pending sales also very strong in Montecito. 29 pending sales there, so properties that are currently in escrow but haven't closed yet. So those should be closing sometime before the end of the year there, so look for a strong November and December in terms of the number of closings there. So back to October 2012, that was the start of a real booming market for our whole South Coast there. We turned the corner from all the short sales and foreclosures, and the market had stabilized and started to take off. Montecito is showing those same sort of numbers right now. So again, yes, an increase in inventory, but more of an increase in the number of sales and the pending sales. So I expect Montecito to continue its strong sales going into the new year there.